Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. This one comes with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, also includes smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 30,406 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.